Honix. Yes, Honix. Yeah, but Unix is a bit hard to set up, guys. Unix is really a bit hard to set up rather than TailsOS. TailsOS is basically very much easy if you compare it to Unix and all. Thank you. Yep, you're most welcome. And to my Sumanshi for assisting me. One second, guys. Yeah, in the group chat, everybody is like joining and stuff. I can't start, okay, because the founder is going to kick my ass, okay, because I can't start without making sure that everyone joins. Like most of the 90% of the students, if they join, I can start it because right now we have how many students? Like right now we have 88 students, and they still most of the students are still joining. Can we start at 2:30? Yeah, that's why I'm waiting. I'm just waiting 4 minutes. I'm just waiting 4 minutes. Just 4 minutes. I'm just waiting. To start. Okay, so how many of you guys know? Let's just have a quick normal quick chat. Sumit, what is the agenda of this workshop? Can you explain, please? Agenda is that they see what we have decided that we are going to like conduct two workshops on bug bounty, and to the first workshop is going to be completely beginner friendly, that I'm going to explain you guys about the stuff about how but what is bug bounty, and what tools you're going to use, what is OS top 10, and what if you guys are interested, I'm going to teach you about SQL injection and all. It's going to the session is going to be taking approximately 1.5 hours. I'm a complete beginner. Yeah, you are a complete beginner, and this course is going to be a completely. This is the first session is going to be completely beginner friendly. NeoFetch. NeoFetch is something. NeoFetch is something that's for this thing. Looks and all. NeoFetch. Yep, same question. Yeah, Pooja, you. This is a completely see the first workshop regarding the bug bounty or anything which we are going to conduct. Firstly, is going to be way beginner friendly. I'm going to explain you from the scratch what is bug bounty and stuff. So you guys can without any doubt and all. For the first 30 minutes, I'll be explaining you what is bug bounty and all, and what are the what the future scope, and how to what are the places where you can directly join. Will there be more sessions?
Hello.
I hope if you guys like me, if you guys love me, support me. Obviously, there's going to be more sessions, and I love to teach you guys. You know, so it's totally dependent upon you. Dependent upon you. If you guys are, you can join. Once again, I think so. There's some kind of disturbance. Uh, can you share your current job profile? Actually, blend chess strategy. How did you blend chess strategy with software development? Um, that's a different story. Okay. See, the thing was that I used to love chess, basically a lot. So I that kind of mindset of never give up and think two moves after. So that's kind of thing which I did. Chess strategy with software development. What I wanted to say to everyone is that I love chess, and I use chess to develop, not it's not two things. I'm mixing it, but the mindset which you have to have while doing having software development or cybersecurity is that have a never give up strategy, never give up mindset, try harder mindset and all. So that's the thing you have to understand. Next is that next question, sir. Will can you share your current job profile? Yeah, I'm currently right now working as a security engineer, and basically taking contracts and stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys know what security engineer is. We develop software regarding the security this thing, and even I'm a penetration tester, and I do pen testing also, and I'm a bug bounty candidate. I actively try to hunt bugs in platforms, and I'm a CTF player. And if you guys don't know about CTF, it's really fun. You should try it out. Who is conducting this workshop? Nimish Jindal. It's myself, Srivatsav, and nice to meet you, Nimish. It's look more like yeah, yeah, Nilesh, you got that. Do we also learn bit of IoT and cybersecurity with AI? Yeah, cybersecurity, AI. Cybersecurity, AI, like see, AI and cybersecurity in 2026 is basically one of the things what you must have to learn. And it's one of the, like, without AI, you can't survive in this field anymore because damn, that's a damn thing you need to learn. Okay, so as a college student, which skill we should focus? That Himanshi is that? Yeah, Himanshi. So it's basically totally dependent upon you. Like like if you want to, should we need to do DSF cybersecurity? I would suggest no, because there is no need for to learn DSA for cybersecurity. But you have to learn a programming language. Like basically, you have to learn Python, C, C++, x64, assembly, these things, so you guys can, but DS is not at all important in cybersecurity unless you are like a program, like a software development and cybersecurity. You guys are interested in both of that, and you need to learn DSA. But DSA basics you have to learn to crack interviews. Bro, who is this guy, bro? No, no, you don't need deep programming knowledge to start. See, what I would suggest you guys is that you guys have to learn, you guys have to know how to read the code. You don't need to, how to write the code. What are we going to study today, sir? We are going to study. I'm going to teach you a bit about.
Hmm.
I'm going to teach you guys about SQL injections and basically a few OAS top 10. That's why that's why I created two. I made the workshops into two things. One is that it's about basics, and the other one is I muted Smita. Yeah, I will start now. One second. I'm just clarifying a bit last doubts. Okay, anybody have last doubts? Just please make sure to give, and I will. Okay, then I'll start it. You guys, after the end of the class, I will take care of other doubts. Let me share my screen. Let me 1 second. 1 second, guys. Just give me 1 second. Yeah. How long it will be? It will be just a 1 hour or 1.5 hour at most. What is your favorite strong vulnerability that you? What is your favorite strong vulnerability? My favorite vulnerability is SQL injection. That I really like that. I really like that SQL injection and RCE also, remote code execution. Yeah. So where I was, let me admit this all, guys. Is my you guys can see my screen? I hope, guys, chat. You guys can see my screen. Yes or no? Yeah, that's
Yes, sir,
cool.
it's visible.
Yeah, thank you. I'll be starting. So, guys, let me introduce Bug Bounty. I'll be showing you image of what it is, and so I'm sorry I didn't open this. Yeah, okay, so guys, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Everhack community, where we teach you guys cybersecurity for free, and it's going to be completely beginner friendly, and it's going to be fun. Everhack Foundation is basically built upon trust, and we all want everybody to learn cybersecurity and develop their skills in this field, and help each other out rather than getting stuck in between, which we did. and we don't want you to do. That's what we are here for. Thank you. So today's session is going to be 1.5 hour long, and myself, Gandhi Sheshasai Srivatsa, and I'll be the host of this session, and our founder Aryan is right on the call. And let's start. Okay, so what is today's session? Okay, you guys can ask me. Today's session it is called Bug Bounty Program. So you guys can ask me, sir, what is bug bounty program? What is is it finding bugs like rats, cockroaches? No, it's not like rats and cockroaches. But what is bug bounty program? So basically, chat bug bounty program is a program where you guys try to help companies to test bugs in their systems and report them to earn money, and that is, in this field you're going to earn a lot if you are good at it. Like we are talking about dollars rather than rupees. Or suppose even a basic bug which you can find, they're going to be giving you a pay between 7,000 rupees, and a basic bug usually takes about 1 day or 1.5 day. If you are good, then you can maybe find it out within 3-4 hours, and you're going to earn 7,000 with a basic minimum of 7K. Okay, I'm just saying. If you find a bug which is a very big, like RC SQL injection, or a remote code execution SQL injection, or command injection, then you guys can earn up to, I don't know, like it depends upon the company, maybe for 1 million, no, sorry, maybe 10 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 7 lakhs. It's totally common to see, recently I saw one guy who found a bug in Meta, sorry, Instagram, okay, Instagram or something. And he could make sure the verification button, he made sure that he could get the verification button for free. Okay, that is a bug, and he earned lakh. I don't know how much he earned, but he earned a lot from what I have read. I don't remember that. Okay, so what is bug? Now we know what is bug bounty. That I'm going to repeat it again. Bug bounty is usually you guys have doing stuff with the for the company that hosting the bounty program, that you guys come and hack us, and we will pay you money if you give us a valid report that this is a potential bug. Okay, what is bug? A bug is or a vulnerability is a software flaw. Okay, a software flaw, which means that in this. For suppose if there's software and there's a flaw and some attacker hacks into the attacker you uses that information and hacks into the software, it's going to damage the infrastructure, and the it's going to be posing a risk to the user data of the millions of customers, which the company doesn't want. So what they do is they usually host bug bounty programs, and they ask hackers like you to come into our website and try to hack us, and they will pay you for that. Okay, that's called bug bounty. You guys understood? Any doubts till here? I hope I'm clear. Any doubts? Any doubt? I'm free to I'm welcome. You guys can ask anything. I'll be answering you guys. The thing. Am I audible? Hello. Clear. Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
you're
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, so actually, this is my fake account over here. I don't want to, reveal my how much I earn. That's going to be a not so professional thing, but still. Hacker login. This is, yeah. I'm be sharing you one link where this is a link where you guys can do this legally. Like this is a page where you can do this legally. So Bugcrowd is a website where you try to find, like this is a hosting website. Like companies use this website to host their
Hello.
I think he is disconnected.
वो परवाह नहीं. हो लई पाणी घेऊन गेले. गदकी एक लोटा जास्त गाठल्यास पाणी.
Sorry, I got disconnected. I don't know why I got disconnected, but still I got disconnected. Yeah, Aditya, you are raising your hand. Any doubt? Pooja, any doubt?
No, no.
Yeah, sure. So, yeah. So this is a website. Okay, so this is the account. This is my second account, which I don't use, but still. See, for suppose this is a website called Buckroad, where where companies host their website, and they usually list that do penetration testing on this, like
Guys,
do bug
sorry to
hunting over
interrupt
this
you, sir,
website.
but your screen isn't visible.
Oh, sorry, I forgot to share my screen. After one second, just thank you for letting me know.
No
Good
problem.
man. Yeah, one second, just one second. I'll be sharing my screen. Uh, is my, Pooja, sir, voice is not coming. Just confirm. Is my voice coming, sir? Sorry, is my voice coming? I'm sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Buckroad login. So you got disconnected. Please login for. Yeah, I think so. Now my screen is visible, and you guys can see that. Oh yeah, this is the website of Buckroad, and so basically, what you can do is that in this website, you guys can find you can find companies which are willing to give you money for your service to them, that is to find bugs in the systems. For suppose this is the dashboard, this is my second account, and as you can see, I don't use this at all. But still, engagements, you can go to the engagement stuff, and in the engagements page, you can look at the website. So see, these all are the companies which are listed in the background. Means you can do like you can test in this website for free and legally. Okay, so if you test on a random website without their permission, they can charge you for cybersecurity. This thing that's going to be a lot worse. Trust me, and I'm telling you from experience. So what you can do is that these things. One second, I. For beginners, is it easy to get bugs from here? Beginners, it's not easy to find bugs. To be honest, wait, I'll show you. I'll show you. I'll show you. One second. I'll show you the bug crowd.
एक मिनट आ रहा हूँ.
Okay, guys. So you think so? You should turn off your mics for before. One second.
सबसे चल रहा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं आ रही है.
One second, guys. I think so. You should
या मैं
turn your mic.
दोबारा तो वेट कर दूं. तुमने पता नहीं तुमने उस टाइम क्या गलती है, मुझे वो गलती तुम्हारी समझ नहीं आई.
I don't know where should turn the mic off. One second.
तो मैं बताता हूँ. जिस पे
Organizers, can anybody? Organizers, can anybody turn off the mic for everyone? Yeah. So, as I was saying, any doubts? Let me check chat. Genome. Yeah, I'm using Kali Linux. As you can see, I'm using Kali Linux. Yeah. Nice angel background, sir. Thank you. Where I was. So, yeah. As you can see, these are the websites which are listed over here are totally companies which are willing to pay you for finding bugs. Okay, so as you can see, for suppose I'm taking a example company called Arori Managed Bug Bounty Engagement. It's a public program. It means anybody is can do this program. Okay, so see this. See over here. So they are willing to pay up to 4,30,000 just if you find a P1 bugs. Okay, what is P1, P2, P3, P4 bugs? Okay, you guys can ask me what are sir, what are you are sir, you have explained to me that bugs क्या होता है, like what are bugs. So now explain me that, sir, what are the differences between a P1, P2, P3, P4 bug. Okay, so a P1 bug is the most critical bug, okay, in the system. Like if you find it, it means that you can take access to the whole database, whole architecture of the like whole structure of the company will be in your hands. Whole database, everything will be in your hand. It is called a uh, it is called a P1 bug. Okay, P1 bugs are usually very dangerous. Like that's very highly dangerous, and they are willing to pay a lot for P1 bugs. As you can see over here, $100 and $100 to $175 for a P4 bug. Okay, for 10,000 to 1,000, 17,000 approximately, you guys can earn for the P4 bug. But if it's a P3 bug, it's $300 to $450, and if it's for P2 bug, it's $1,500 to $2,125, and if the P1 bug, it's $3,500 to $4,375. Okay, so as the one second, yeah, as the price, as the P1, as the P goes down, the amount of money you get is going to be higher. So what? So okay, now your question should be, so how should I find a bug? Is that's the question, right? Block crowd is crowded with experts, so I think it's difficult. Can you suggest a website which can help for beginner to find bugs? So yeah, at the end of the session, I'll be making sure you to give you a place where you can try bug bounty without that much crowd. Actually, every place right now these days have like are usually crowded, and there are not much power space for them. But still, I will give you a better bugbase.ai. I don't know what is bugbase.ai. I never saw that, but I will give you a guide at the end of the workshop, so you guys can try act me, bro. Hack the box and try act me. Those are not bug bounty programs, but something you can learn. Okay, so where I was, yeah. So what I'm saying that, see, this is a bug. Right now it's P1, P2, P3, P4. Okay, so four categories of bugs are there. So the lower the P number, the P value, the higher the bug you get. Okay, though in there are two things you have to keep in mind, which are in scope and out scope. What is in scope? So suppose, okay, let's see, you have a house. Okay, you have a house, and you want you want a maid. You hire a maid, and you told the maid specifically just to clean the kitchen, just to clean the kitchen and the hall and the balcony. Okay, just these three, and you're not ready to pay any one extra penny to any if she cleans any other place. So that's called in scope. Like in scope means that you guys are setting a boundary, and outside that boundary, if you do anything, the company is not going to pay you anything unless it's a very serious thing. But now comes the out scope. Okay, so outscope means that if a company has, for suppose, see this, see over here, there are four websites over here. Sorry, there's not website. Let me accept these guys because I don't want them to feel sad just because they are not available right now. Yeah. So where I was, bug bounty, yeah, technology, games, retail. For suppose if we take iPhone, okay, let's take this website. Okay, let's take this website, and here we can see that here there's IP. Sorry, there's a website over here. Okay, there's a website over here. I'm right now connected to the VPN, I guess. So yeah, I'm connected to the VPN, so I don't have access to this thing. Let's go to any other website. I'll be showing you. Yeah. 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 This one is also stopped. Just a bit, guys. What is it? Bugbase.ai. I never use this.
एक मिनट रुको यार।
Bug based what AI.
वो बोल के अपना क्या बोल रहा था मैं। हाँ, सुन सुन, मैं तेरे को ना एक पोस्टर भेज रहा हूँ, उस पोस्टर हिसाब से स्टडी बना दे, ठीक है? भेज दो, व्हाट्सएप कर रहा हूँ, व्हाट्सएप कर रहा हूँ, जल्दी बना
Guys,
दे।
you disable mic, disable mics. You guys, please don't talk. You know, for some time. Okay. So where I was, any doubts still here, guys? Like what what is a bug and what are the types of bugs and what is in scope and out scope? You guys understood because it's a basic, very basic class. I know most of the students don't even know what is a P1 bug and a P2 bug difference, and I hope you guys are learning one or two things. Even there are few students over here who are skilled, I guess, like who know all this. But what is one C? What is bug? Once it DM me, mom. I'm going to teach you what is a bug. I'll show you. Yeah. So I was saying, uh, so bug bounty. What I would suggest you, this is no sir, Rishikesh. Any doubt? Okay, so what I'm saying is that I'm just teaching you. I'm just teaching you very basic stuff today because I don't want few guys to don't understand at all. Because if I start directly teaching big stuff, you guys won't even understand that. Uh, that's why I'm saying I think so. This guy is Bug is a miscellaneous thing who lives in the website. Who live in the website? Yeah, who lives in the website? Is paying rent to the website. Yeah, you're right. Okay, so as you can see here, every website is there, right? This is what I'm talking about. Okay, see, this is what I'm talking about. See, here is a website. Here is a website, and you can see that P1 P4 P4 vulnerability is 50,000. As you can see, 50,000. A P4 vulnerability. A P4 vulnerability. If P4 vulnerability means it's a very low bug, but it's like basic of the basic bugs. Still, they are paying 50,000 for it, and you can see P3 bug is 2 lakhs, and P2 bug is 10 lakhs, and P1 bug is 40 lakh rupees, bro. Bro, it's 40 freaking lakhs. Like, you guys get a bug and you're set. You're set for the next 5 years. 40 lakhs. And here comes 50 lakhs. And this is exceptional. There's another kind of thing which is called exceptional bug, which is the most. Like if you have it, if you find an exceptional bug, it means that you can completely destroy that company without that's the it's paying. So what is the number of bug you have reported? Approximately till now up to it maybe more than 50, I guess. Not 50, 40 plus. I don't do bug bounty as my main this thing as my source of income because I have a stable job. I only do bug bounty when I something. No, not rich. Divyanshi. Somewhat. Okay, Divyanshi, somewhat. I am rich. I'm just kidding. Uh, Pranay, let's add this guy. Yeah. So, see, here you can see that it's in scope. Matlab, like, whatever you try on this website, right? Whatever you try on this website over here, whatever you try on the website over Bounty Cam 1, Bounty Cam 2, Bounty Cam 3, Bounty Cam 4, whatever websites over you try over here, these pay you. Okay, these pay you. Except for this, if you these are the out of scope. There are few out of scopes. I can't see out of scopes over here. He's asking for a login. One second. Do your work. Yes, I do work. Yeah. Uh, let's see. Let's see. Yeah. So these are the things. Now, what I would suggest you guys is if you now we're going to go move to the technical stuff. Okay. What is technical stuff I'm going to tell you now? You are going to give you materials and stuff where you can learn bug bounty program. Sorry, I'm sorry. Bug bounty hunting on your own rather than searching and you know like just browsing through websites, going to YouTube channels. There's a guy called for the first thing I'm going to tell you is that there's a guy called Naham Sek. I'm going to wait 1 second. I'll give you his ID. 1 sec. Naham Sek. I can't even pronounce this guy. Yeah, this guy. So this guy is the best bug bounty hunter ever, and this guy is you should. 36 days. 36 days. This guy is the guy you should follow. I'll just be sharing. Please watch this guy YouTube channel and all. You guys will give. I'm sure you guys are going to learn a lot from this guy. This guy is one of the best bug bounty program. This thing, and he really is a completely skilled guy. And another one I would suggest, if you are अगर तुम लोग को हिंदी में if you guys अगर तुम लोग को अंग्रेजी में तुम लोग को समझ नहीं आ रहा है तो तुम लोग को हिंदी में चाहिए you guys are you want to learn from in Hindi, then I would suggest is this guy. Okay, Spin the Hack. This guy is one of the best guys I've ever met. I met this guy once in a conference, and this guy is totally bro. This guy is a killer. He can do anything. This guy can. This guy is a. This guy maybe found $500. I don't know, but this guy is too good. These are the two YouTube channels which I would suggest you to go through once. Okay, make sure you guys go through this guys these two YouTube channels. What about this academy? I'll tell you. I'll tell you 1 second. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Security, to be honest, this guy is also good, but I don't see anybody can upload a YouTube video and create a channel, but it's all about the consistency and the motivation you have for a YouTube channel and all. This guy is good. You can follow. See, if you, that's your totally your opinion. Okay, if you guys you guys like a particular teach you mentor and you want to follow, and that's your this thing. What I would suggest is that link of second channel. Yeah, these are the two links. Bomble. Yeah, David Bomble also is a very good guy. He's also one of the best guys, but he's not that good for some bug bounty. He won't teach you that much bug bounty and stuff. And another one I would suggest is I don't remember her name. Raina Bug Bounty. I don't remember her name. It should start with R something. 1 second. I don't remember her name. I don't. This guy also. This guy also is very good. This guy also is very good. Okay. These okay. So, any doubts till now, guys? You guys, Hey everyone, welcome back. 1 second. Today, yeah. What one? Any doubt, guys? Any doubts? Yeah, you can type. Mutmina, okay. 1 second, I'll unmute you, Mutmina. I think so. You can talk to me then. Yeah. So Mina. So you can unmute and please tell what's your doubt. I'm not. You're not audible, Mina, and I hope you can just check it once. You can please ask your doubt. 1 second. Okay. Please share networking related documentation. There networking. I have a guy. Okay, this guy is one of my friends. Actually, I'll show you. This guy is one of my friends, and this guy is also doing well. Networking. Hindi. This guy. This wait 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Yeah, this guy is one of the best for networking. Okay, make sure you guys follow him. Where is this also is good. Yeah, this guy. This guy is the best one. This one YouTube video is enough for your whole networking career, guys. This one YouTube video is enough. You don't need anything else than this. Kunal is the best guy. I would suggest this guy is too good in this networking field. Let me. Yeah. So let's start. Yeah, you're good. You're right. Let's start with the technical stuff. So I'll be sharing you this thing, like because I want you to learn. The next workshop will be conducted after 4 weeks or 3 weeks. So after 3 weeks, I'll be sharing you the that after 3 weeks we are going to be having a full hands-on bug bounty this thing, and I'll teach you lively how to do that, how to find bugs. And another is that bug bounty cheat list. Wait, I'll be giving you this also. Cheat list, GitHub. This also you need to learn, not learn, just keep it with you. This is going to be helpful for you. I'll be giving you 1 second, 1 second. Cheat list. Yeah, head overflow. This guy. These are the things, guys. Contributors, references. Yeah, this is one stuff you should learn. Do you know the North Korean hacker guy? I know every North Korean. I know every North Korean. You know, uh, every North Korean guy. How would I know every North Korean? He was one of them. He was obviously state sponsored as far as I saw. Oh yeah, these days state sponsored hackers come on YouTube and say that I'm state sponsored. Yeah, not that to North Korean. Yeah, Kim Jong Un is that guy is pretty chill, I guess. Yeah. So, yeah, okay, these are the things I want you to learn for the next workshop. 1 second. Any doubts regarding bug bounty, you please ask me. I'll be anything after this, after anything after, like any other doubts, I'll be making sure you guys at the end of the class, at the end of the session, I'll be making sure to answer each one of you. What I'm saying is that now this session it's totally theoretical, and I understood that if I even teach anything practical, you guys won't understand. It's going to be waste of time and effort. I just wanted to show that next class I'll be making sure you guys learn anything, learn bug bounty practicals. Okay, I'll be making sure to conduct 2 3 practicals. That way you're going to teach us how to do bug bounty. Yeah, I'll be making sure to teach you how to do bug bounty. What we have to do in this. Okay, so what you have to do in this is go to the bug bounty platforms. Like here, you can see that bug bounty platform. These all are the bug bounty platform. And if someone asks you, was these starting 3 are very much crowded? So what you will do? Okay, these are the bug bounty programmers. Sorry, these are the bug bounty ones, and here you can find. And after that, just here you can find links for everything, like XSS. Like you can do XSS, and here see everything about XSS you can find here. These you can paste over. These you can play around. You can test around. You can SQLite. I'm sure here SQLite commands will be there. And yeah, these final example. This is the all for one SQLite command. And here goes the LFI, local file inclusion, and this also. It's totally this thing. Okay, understood, Pooja. That thing. What is the minimum requirement for PC for so that it doesn't hang? You don't need actually. You don't need at all. You can even start doing bug bounty on a 30,000 rupee computer. The bug bounty don't need at all. Methodologies for reconnaissance, like how to frame and structure it. Okay, I will explain you this thing. 2025, 2026, what are the most common bugs? I would say that 2025, 2026 most common bugs are IDORs. IDORs are the ones which are indirect object referrals. And I would suggest admin panel bypass. These two are the I found the most. I already shared my LinkedIn. LinkedIn. I'm actually a contributor to Everhack. I'm like not in the. I'm not technically employed by them or anything. I'm just like here. I'm sorry. I'm just here to teach you guys because I feel cybersecurity should be free for everyone because everybody deserves privacy and everybody has the right to privacy and security and your guys to learn. And Gandipuya, I'll be sharing you my this thing. Actually, one second, copy link. I making sure. Can I go, sir? Will you teach? You guys want the technical stuff? Oh, sure. I'll be okay then. Let's do technical stuff. Okay, let's do technical stuff. Let's do technical stuff. Come on, guys. Let's do technical stuff. I'll be teaching you guys technical stuff, which I'll be teaching you one or two bug bounty today. Sorry, I'll be teaching you one or two vulnerabilities today. Okay, as you guys are pretty get bored. Okay, I'll be start your DVWA. This is a command to start your DVWA. DVWA stands for Damn Vulnerable Web Application. It's like intentionally built the application which is only used for this thing. I already shared this. This is my LinkedIn. Yeah, you need certifications, basic certifications. You don't need big certifications. One second, guys. One second. Okay, let me not this one. I think so. I don't forget. I forgot the port number. Okay, let's do one thing. Test PHP. Okay, guys. Let me teach you. SQL injection today. Let me teach you the most basic one, but it's the most highly deadly one. One of the best. One of the best. What do we say? Bug you can find is the SQL injection. For suppose this is a website. Okay, you guys can open it too. Why don't we start with any live target? Because I didn't, to be honest, I can start with a live target, but it will be very a big one, Harsh. Like we have to do reconnaissance and all, and after that we need to. It's better for the crowd. Most of the crowds are beginner friendly, like beginners. So it's better to start with, a, a basic test website and all. So can you please tell me what's the process happening in the CH exam? Just pay. Just pay him, and you'll obviously appear. Is what I would suggest. You should frame your question a bit better so I can understand what will we need something or anything. Okay, yeah. So okay, as you can see, browse categories over here. So okay, this is a basic website, guys. Okay, this is a basic website for you guys can to follow. One second. Yeah, so you guys can follow. This is a basic website. Uh, it's this website. What does it have? It have artist. Okay, it's my artist. This guy is called R4W817C, and this guy we call Bald. This guy artist, and this guy. This even have a sign up. Like see, this guy. This have is a timer like test and test. Okay, this you signed up.
अबे कब का हो चुका है हाँ सेमिनार चल रहा है
One second, guys. You guys, why should I? Please turn off your mics, guys. When you turn off your mics, it will be very much easy for me. One second. More audio settings. I don't think so. It's okay. Please don't turn on your mics. Don't turn on your mics. Okay, so okay, as you can see, this is a website. First, suppose imagine that this is a normal website, and you guys want to do bug bounty test on this. And what you guys what? Okay, also there's a bug called SQL injection. I'll be teaching you the theoretical knowledge in the next stuff, but I'll be showing you practical demo in the right now, so you guys can understand. Okay, how does this work and all. So, for suppose this is a normal website which has artist category, disclaimer, your card, guest book, and you can find it over here. And there are some links and all. Okay, so what I'm going to do as a penetration, sorry, as a bug bounty hunter is that I'm going to look for a vulnerability in this website. Like what I'm going to do is that I'm going to make sure that to find any vulnerability in this website, and I will exploit that vulnerability to gain access into the system. That's my job. Okay, that's my job, and that's my end goal. So what I'm going to do, I'll get back to you, Ujjwal. Please be on hold. Okay. So what I'm going to do is that this is a categories place, and I want so if you can open the categories, here you can see multiple posters. Okay, the shore, mystery, the universe, and all. Okay, here you can see mystery, universe, and all. Here you can see find trees. Here you can comment on this picture. You can even comment on these pictures, and you can open the shore. You can see this, add this picture to cart, and you can even place command for item this. Your command has been processed back to page. As you can see, this is a normal website which you guys are is that Latin. Bro, where did you find even Latin? I'm speaking Greek. Yeah, I'm speaking Dutch Greek. Yeah, this okay. Yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah, this is Latin. I think so. Guys, search it guys. Wait. Search this thing if it's Latin or not. Harsh, and when you work, search if it's Latin or not. Okay. So here you can see. So any username or password over here, right? Can I find any username and password over here? I'll be sharing you this website. Anybody, can you show me any username and password in this website? Yes or no? Can you see any username or password here?
Yes, sir. Test,
Where,
test.
where can, yeah, test it. Accept that. It's intentional. They give it intentional. Accept this line. Can you see any username or password section over here? No, right? I hope not. So yeah, so what I'm going to say is that so this is a website, and now you're going to as a see. So now in the SQL injection, what you're going to do is that you you go check parameters. Okay, this is a parameter. Well, let me show you. Gedit. Well, let me show you. This is a parameter. Let me show you guys one second. Yeah, this is a parameter. Okay, what is a parameter? Like parameter means that it actually brings one of the item to us. So right now the artist, this is a website. Okay, this is the protocol used in HTTP protocol, hypertext transfer protocol, and there's the website. Testphp.onehub.com is the website name, and in that website there's artist, and in the artist there's we are calling artist one. Okay, it's like calling roll number one from class 10th B. Okay, it's like calling someone with a specific this thing. If you are studying in class 10, then I'm the principal of the school. I say that bring me Yandeep of class 10th B section. So what is this doing is that this is calling the class B, the Yandeep B section, and that's what. Okay. Yeah, I'll even explain this. I will even explain this also. I will explain. Yeah, who am I? Yeah, I will even explain that also. What does that means? So what we can do is that it actually is the what we say. This is SQL. This is authentication bypass. I will even explain you this also. So what we're going to do is that we're going to copy this link, and we're going to like see this is what you're going to test is that here if you this is the parameter. Okay, this is the parameter that we're going to change. So if we change from 1 to 2, Did you see any change over here? Did you see any change? This is number one, and this is number two. Did you do you guys see any change which is happening on the screen when I change the number? Yes. So what is happening is that we are changing the artist name. Okay, artist name is getting changed over here. Now if I press 3, it's called, the artist name again got changed. If I press 4, nothing is showing over here because there is no 4. Only 3 artists are there. Okay. So this is a basic website. This is a basic website. So now what you're going to do is that how will you test, sir, if it's a website is vulnerable to SQL injection or not? So the most basic thing you can do to test if a website is vulnerable to SQL injection or not is very, 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 very simple. You just have to place this thing. Yeah, wait, I'll show you over here. You just have to place what we I don't remember what do you call this. Hyphen is it's called hyphen, guys. The
So
so it's
semicolon.
single quote, single quote. Oh yeah, single quote, double quote. Yeah, single quote. So this is what we are just going to add the small thing at the end of the website, and this will tell us if the website is vulnerable to SQL injection or not. Just very simple, guys. Just we need to add a single quote at the end of the website, which is having a get parameter. This question mark should be there, and is equal to should be there, and after is equal to some text should be there or number or anything, and we should just place this single quote. And if we open this website over here and we press over here, see it's showing you guys error. You have an error in your SQL syntax. Check the manual that corresponds at your MSQL server version for the right syntax to use near at line 1. So we should expect an error. Okay, if it's showing an error, okay, guys, remember this. Note down if you want. If we are testing for SQL injection and if it shows SQL error, then it means the website is vulnerable to SQL injection. Okay, you guys have any doubt? You guys have any doubt? If you have any doubt, just if you don't have any doubt, just you can say yeah, no sir, and I will continue. Okay, I think so. No doubt. So your screen is getting blur, and when you show the command, everyone, guys, is my screen getting blur or is it harsh network that is a bit laggy, or is it my mistake? Can you?
Mm. Sometimes it's blur, but fortunately it comes back to the normal state.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. So here what you're doing is that you added a single quote at the end of the website, and you got an error. This is the error. You should get an error. If you're not getting error, it means the website is not vulnerable. For suppose if I say, for suppose if I go to Google database hacking and any get parameter, if I could find any get parameter, one second. Any get parameter, if I could find. And usually these guys don't have get parameters, but still, okay. And if I place a open quote, if I place an open quote and this it's not showing any error, it means it's not vulnerable to SQL injection. Simple as that. Oh, one second, Iman. I will be making sure to answer this one. So now what we should do is that now it comes the hacking part. So what we should do is that we should copy the link. We should copy the link, and we should use the tool SQL map. Okay, SQL map, and we should be using SQL map. Okay, SQL map is an automation tool which is pre-built in Kali Linux. It's already pre-built. You don't have to search for that. You just go to your terminal and type SQL map, and you can learn how to. You guys have to learn how to use SQL map. So here is the website that I was talking about: http.testphp.valhub.com. Artist.php get parameter mark artist is equals to 1. Okay, this is the website that I was talking about, And here, what we are going to do is that we are going to use we are going to as we found out that this website is vulnerable to SQL injection, and now we want to exploit this SQL injection. We are going to use a tool called SQL map. So anybody know what is SQL map? Can anybody tell me what is SQL map? Anybody text में भेज सकता है what is SQL map?
So can I?
Yeah, please.
So basically, it's a tool or a framework that is designed to find this flaw that is being designed into a structured query language database that helps to identify as well as exploit something like user database or the table enumeration and etc.
Exactly. And you use it to 1 second. Yeah, you use it to bring back 1 second. I'm sorry, guys. 1 second. It's a bit important. Yeah, as I was saying, yeah, you are absolutely right. And your good name, please?
So Harsh Mehta.
Harsh Mehta. Excellent, Harsh Mehta. That's very good. And yeah, now what I'm saying is that automated, yeah, add me back. Add you back. How should I add you back once again? Oh, sorry. I'm adding you back. Pooja, I'm adding you back. Why do you guys even leave if you want to get added back? Automated Rushi, yes, automated SQL injection tool. SQL map is used to find and exploit vulnerabilities in websites and web applications. Yep, you're right. 404 tool that automates, yes, you're right. Absolutely right. So what you're going to do is that we are going to use this tool to enumerate tables and bring back data which we can't usually find in the normal website. So what it means that SQL map uh, uh, SQL map yeah. And now what we're going to do is that we're going to use a table function. Sorry. We're going to use a DBS parameter. So what this does is that it's usually 1 second. Yeah. Is my screen visible? I don't hope. I hope it's not too small. Yeah. Okay. Don't worry about these things, guys. I will teach you in this future classes. This what are parameters and what are the DBS parameter, batch parameter, and all. So what it usually does is that it usually takes this and see. As you can see, as you can see over here, it looks like the backend database is MySQL, which is MySQL, and what is a backend? What is a backend database and a front end? What is the difference between front end and backend? Is that backend actually uses 1 second. Sir, share the syntax. Yeah, I'm sharing you the syntax. 1 second. It is a basic syntax actually. It is a basic syntax. If you want a better syntax, like you want all for one, you guys want to be wannabe hackers, I will be giving you level 5, risk 3, optimizations on, random agent. Yeah. This is the syntax I'll be using, which I'll be giving you. Use this, which is way better one. 1 second. Yeah, this is the syntax. So now I'm going to press enter. As you can see, I'll be explaining you slowly what this tool does. If this tool tests, like, that this tool has bunch of preloaded SQL injection, this thing, and what it does is that it basically checks for you see over here, it's testing for MySQL queries against the website, and it basically uses every kind of SQL injection that is present till now and tests it again. The test करता है website के against, and it gives us the data which we want. See, you can see here it found out 4 SQL injections. One is a Boolean based, error based. SQL injection is very big. It's a very large topic, and I can't cover it. I'm sorry, but I can't cover it in one session. That's why I'm showing you practical. So the next classes which are going to which I'll be taking, the next classes which I'll be taking, I'll make sure you guys surely understand that. As you can see, we got the database of this website, and usually database shouldn't be accessible to the outside world, but here we are using SQL injection to get the data, like the database name, and here the database name is AccuArt. And now what we're going to do is that since we know the database, the database name is AccuArt, what we're going to do is that I'm going to, one second, I'm going to just give this. And what we're going to do is that we are going to give the database name to AccuArt. Okay, so we're going to give the database name to the AccuArt, and we can remove the risk 3 and because it already found this one. And I hope that's not a problem. And we're going to look for tables. If you guys know anything, one or two things about SQL injection, sorry, SQL subject, sorry, SQL language. SQL means structured query language. It basically stores. Okay, is it still blurry? Students, is it still blurry?
Yes, sir.
One second. Um, I'm sorry, my screen was blurry. Abhi bhi blurry hai? Guys, is my screen still blurry? One second, I'll shift tabs, okay? Is my screen still blurry? Okay. So this is the new syntax which I'm going to be giving you. Okay. So what happens is that if you guys know even one or two things about SQL language, it basically means that structured query language, and what it basically does is that it simply stores data in rows and columns like Excel sheets, and it's tables and columns, to be precise, tables and columns like Excel sheet. Okay. So now what we're going to do is that we're going to enumerate the tables which are here in this. So right now you can see artists, cards, catalogs, featured, guest books, pictures, products, users. Wait a second. How is the users table over here, which I couldn't find in the website? This is where the SQL injection is truly plays the magic. It actually brings back every table which is listed in the website, which is not shown in the website, but website has it in the back end. The SQL injection is famous for this. Okay, now user का table no company wants the users table to be publicly accessible. So what they do is that they hide this users table and only give only artist cards, catalog, features, guestbook, pictures, products. This is what the company does. But what the SQL injection does, it sorry, yeah. Vulnerability. This exploits SQL injection exploits the vulnerability in the system and it gives us back the data of the users. So now what we will do is that now since we know want the table, want the users table, we want to look into this table. We will just simply paste -t users, and we will be giving columns. As I already told you, what we say, SQL is mostly is built upon on rows, tables, and columns. So now what we're going to do is that we have enumerated. This command enumerates the tables. First, what we did is that we enumerated the database, and after enumerating the database, we enumerated the tables, and after enumerating the tables, now we are going to enumerate the columns. So now after enumerating the columns, if you can see here, we can find name, address, card, credit card details, email, password, phone number, username. Wait a second. How can email, password, phone number, username be publicly accessible when if some random guy finds your password available in a website, the website is not secure, right? So what the website does is that it usually protects the data by updating its software and keeping the SQL injection SQL language up to date. So how? So here we can see. So here, so now we can see that name, address, card, credit card, email, pass, phone number, username. So these many things are there. These many things are there. How can you? So now what to do, sir? These many things you can see, but how? What to do now? So what you can do is that you can basically simply you can just go to this. You can simply go to the whatever you want. What I will do is that I will use this command to dump everything. To dump everything, whatever you find, just give me back. Okay, whatever you find, you give me back is what I'm saying. Okay, I hope. Okay, so now what happened is that it gave me the name of the it see here you see it gave me the name of the name of the username. It give me the username that is test, and it give me the phone number which is 999, and it give me the email that is test, and it give me the password that is test. And here is the card, it's the hash, and if you break the hash, you will be getting. And here is the credit card details, credit card name Angel, and here you can see we have found the password. So this is a basic test website. How much time it will take depends upon the website, Pooja. It will take usually from few seconds to maybe few minutes, like maybe 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Basically it takes a lot of time. If you want a live target, I can for suppose how many you guys are from Andhra Pradesh? Any from anyone from Andhra Pradesh? Okay, I'll explain it later, Krish. See, Krish, what I'm telling you is that uh, okay, so Krish, what I'm telling is that SQL injection means we are exploiting a SQL structure. SQL means a structured query language. It's a language where you store data in rows and tables and columns, like how you store data in Excel sheet. So what we are doing is that we are trying to exploit the bug, which is called SQL injection, which is called SQL vulnerability. What it does is we are trying to give malicious input into the SQL query, and it will you don't have to get worried, panic. Like you guys don't have to get panic that okay. What is saying, what is SQL query and all. I'll be making sure to teach you all that. So what happens is that we are using a tool called SQL Map, because we SQL injection is a very long time taking process. So we use SQL Map to automate this, and we give the link and we give some parameters, and it gives back us the data which we're looking for, which is password, email, phone number, username, and credit card name and a card ID. Okay, did you understand, Krish Sharma? Yes, sir. Okay. Any doubts, students? Any doubts? Anyone? Anyone? Any kind of doubt? I'm ready. I'm willing. I'll be waiting. I'll be giving you guys 2 minutes, just 1 minute, so you can type or ask. 5 to RC. That I can take care. That is, I should ask our founder, because that's a paid fund. Form link for certificate. Yeah, Aryan Mittal. Guys, please. No. So not right now. Yeah, next time, please. So bugs will come in back end. Yeah, bugs will come in back end, front end, everything. Bugs can be everywhere. It's not like it will come in only website. Sometimes even the database have few flaws, and you can directly do that. So here, this is SQL injection. Um, Sorry. Okay. So first, suppose if you want a live website, maybe any live website. What to say? Any live website. Aditya College. Let's take Aditya College into consideration. Okay, don't no one hacks into this college. Okay, no one hacks into this college. Aditya College. Aditya College. No one hacks into this college, guys. I don't want to get into trouble. One second. AP. Okay, this website is a live website. I tested this one way before, and I usually found one or two bugs in this, and I don't think SQL. SQL, like sometimes you have to do it manually. Not every time this thing works. Sometimes you have to do manually. One second. I'm sorry, guys. I usually, yeah. So it's a live website, as you can see. Usually we can try to do that and stuff. Yeah. Any doubts, students? Yeah, I think so. So this is SQL injection. This is a bug. This is a bug which you will be like this bug. If you find it in any website, minimum to minimum, you're going to be finding 5 lakh, or you're going to be getting 5 lakhs. XXL XSC injection that I'll be teaching the paid one. So now comes any doubts. I'll be giving you 1-2 minutes. So you guys have any doubts or anything, so you can type it. I'll be making sure. So when XSS, Harsh Mehta, please don't hack it. I'm just showing for educational purposes because I don't want to get into trouble. I think so. I will. There are two types. Okay. And what I was saying. What I was saying is that yeah. That's all for today, guys. SQL injection is the only thing because that's the most basic one which I could think of. Next session, maybe I will be teaching XSS or LFI to RCE. Okay. And for my LinkedIn, and this is me. If you guys know anything about, I'm Sivatsav, and sorry, you can call me Gyandeep or Sivatsav. And 1 second, login.
What about e-certificate?
Sign in. I think so. I should have my mail over here. My I'll be 1 second, guys. I'll be showing you my mail. Please don't brute force my account. I don't want to get. Okay, guys, this is my LinkedIn page, and 1 second. Just 1 second, guys. Just 1 second. I'll be, this call will be, this meeting will be more like 15 minutes, also more. Okay, I'll accept each one of you guys, and for sure I'll be accepting you guys. Just give me for some time. I don't use this. Okay, guys, and this is me, and nice to meet you. And this is the guy, the myth, the legend. Just joking. So as you can see, I have completed my OSCP and OSCP Plus. If you guys know what is OSCP, and if you guys anyone know what is OSCP, then yeah. And I'm also like certified in threat hunting, mobile application, mobile finding bugs in mobile, also mobile VAPT and digital forensics. I'm also a forensics investigator, and I also completed VAPT and cloud, also cloud VAPT, also cloud this thing also. So yeah, the last syntax for Kali Linux, and the syntax is going to be this one. I don't. This won't help actually. There's actually another method to do SQL injection. That's manual. This is a. That's not that every website that uses SQL is vulnerable to it. No, not every website. That's what I'm saying. Any website which is like old version and not updated, that is sick. Command for IP changer and Mac changer. Mac changer is you can basically use uh, Mac changer. Why can't I find it? It's Mac changer double C. Yeah, Mac changer, and you can specify it to random, and you can give it your Wi-Fi interface, and this is to specify each one of your this thing. I hope that helps. Wallpaper provide. Which wallpaper do you want? This one? This one I don't think so it's that good. Or this one? Black. This one. This one. Yeah, I'll surely provide in the WhatsApp group. Okay, I'll make sure I'll make sure to send to the founder. I'll make sure to send. I'll give you the Aryan this thing. Yeah. So uh, yes, Ujwal. Yes, yes. It is used to find vulnerabilities in the website. And उसके बाद can you show me how you find and which place it will be good for me to find no, can you know how you find SQL on that website? Which website, Harsh Mehta? I found it using what you say. You should try post parameters also. That I told you, I taught you about get parameters, but you can like go to use burp, capture a request, use the -r parameter of SQL map, and you can you can do this. I'm sorry. Yeah. So, one second, guys. Just give me 1 second. 1 second. Ujjwal, you can just mail to them. I'm sorry, guys. I'm having a cold. You can mail them. Yeah, you can just Google it. You can just Google EC Council support mail, and they will guide you. Just explain yourself to them that you don't have any link or anything, because I didn't complete ECEH. I don't CEH is not my type. So yeah. So actually, guys, and that's all for today's technical part. And just mail them, Ujjwal. Just mail them. You can just mail them regarding this. They will guide you. Surely they will guide you. They will make sure to provide you the link. And if you like convince them that I'm sorry that I didn't find the link, so I couldn't give the exam, they will even extend your subscription also. Okay, for free. Okay, so guys, that's the thing. So next is that I'm going to start a batch. Go. Thank you. Good thing, and the bad thing is that I'm going to start a batch, and the bad thing is that I am going to start a batch. So go. That's what joke. So yeah, the batch is going to be of purely cybersecurity basics. I'm going to start completely on basics. From basics, it's going to be live sessions, like every day live session for 1.5 month, 45 days, every day for 1 hour, and your doubts will be cleared, and yeah, basics to intermediate, or to be honest, basics to advanced also. Like if you guys like the advanced, going to be a payment is going to be a bit pricey, but if you can say that the basic to intermediate is going to be yeah, that's going to be a lot less compared to the advanced, because advanced, if you want, I should teach you active directory exploitation, buffer overflow, or SNMP, SMB, NetExact, pivoting, and all. Yeah. So next, session. No, I will. No, that will be announced in the group. I don't have that should be announced in the group. So next thing is that you guys want me to open and send you request. Yeah, so
So what about certificates?
certificate, yeah, that's not my issue. Certificate will be handled in the group, and you guys will be sure receiving that. I'll make sure I will ask the founder and the organizers. Okay, you guys can so what I was saying is I'm going to start a batch and it's going to be of 45 days and every day 1 hour and it's going to be paid and not free. I'm sorry because I have to also eat bread and butter. Your LinkedIn. I already gave my LinkedIn link. Oh, sorry. 1 second. I'll be sharing my LinkedIn again and again and again. This is my fourth time, but still, I love you guys. I love you a lot. That's why I'm going to give you once again. अरे बार. Why can't I even see my this thing? 1 second, guys. Yup, here is my public profile, and here you go. Okay,
Sir,
yeah.
can you please share the certificate link in WhatsApp group? Because I don't really have access to chat right now.
I am not. I'm not. This thing like I'm not authorized to do that. The Everhack community organizers should take care of that. But I will surely make sure that the WhatsApp, the link to certification generation will be provided in the mail also. I mean WhatsApp group, so everybody who joined can generate a certificate. Okay, sounds good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, and anybody wants to join my course and all, if you want to, learn bug bounty and stuff, you guys can just reach out to me in through LinkedIn. I'll make sure you guys can just text me. You guys can just text me, and I'll sure to I'll make sure to accept you guys and get talk have a small chat with you and. So what I'm going to teach you is that I'm going to teach you for cybersecurity from basic to intermediate. Maybe if you guys are smart as freak, and I'm going to even teach you advanced also. And the pricing I'll be discussing over there depends upon how many are joining and all. And any doubts regarding the course which I have, because I'm marketing is one of the things I'm bad at. Any doubts, my dear students? My dear students, very dear. Yeah, yeah. So, uh, so can I have today's workshop? Yeah, you can ask any doubt on today's workshop. I'll be gladly, I'll gladly help you. What doubt do you have, Harsh Mehta? Come on, just give me your best doubt. I'll surely help you.
Like I wondered the moment when you showed that SQL injection on Aditya Engineering College, I got disconnected. So I wanted to know that whether you are putting that into some input fields or what are the fields you are trying it on, because that
No,
will
no,
be
I
really.
just use the crawl. I just use the crawl function. As you can see, my screen is. So as you can see, I use the crawl functionality over here. So that's going to crawl every get parameter. But Aditya Mukamka College get parameters are not vulnerable. Their post parameters are vulnerable. And I don't teach post parameters. And I'm sorry because that's only for paid ones. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Uh,
So that is totally good. Like I wanted to ask one more thing that as you said, the more better and furnished way is the manual one, right? And you
yeah.
said to use burp suit for that capturing. So I wanted to ask that shall we only try for the input parameters in the post request, or we can go for headers too?
Headers also you can. Even headers also you can try SQL injection. Headers also you can. SQL injection is this thing works.
Okay, and so basically that the base command, that is that inverted one equals to one, or that shall we use, or shall we use a whole cheat sheet and put it into intruder?
See the inverted backslash and all. Let me tell you, you should use the correct SQL. You should know SQL language first of all. If you want to learn SQL injection, you should at least have to have the knowledge to like read the SQL injection. Uh, okay, so how should I tell you? How should I explain it to you? Okay. Um, See, for suppose, imagine like you're knocking on a door, but you're knocking with a hammer rather than your hand. So how will you feel? You're trying to knock, but you're using the wrong tool. So it's like you're trying to attack the website with the wrong SQLi command. That's not going to let you in. Do you understand?
Yes, sir, totally. So basically, I
Okay.
have to learn the SQL language first for penetration, right?
Yeah, just basic one, not extreme one, just enough to read the code. Just enough to read the code. That's why we use SQL map. We don't use mostly 90% SQL map is accurate, but the 10% is manual. Any other doubts,
Yes, sir.
students? Any other doubts?
Thank you so much. Uh, So, like, I had one more. As like being in this workshop only, I was just scrolling through. Like, I want to be a bug bounty hunter, but currently I am in a master's of cybersecurity. So I'm trying to hunt on some VDPs, like some government websites, so I can get some Hall of Fames. I was starting with Jharkhand Police, and like I got robots.txt file, which shows allowed as well as disallowed. So, sir, can you share some of your insights, like what can we get through that disallowed entries, or are they even vulnerability or not? Like somehow like that.
Robots.txt is not a vulnerable thing at all, but if the robot, like, do you, what I would look firstly would be that it would, if any admin access panel is listed in the robots.txt, like if any admin panel is kept like not allowed and it can, then you like how to tell you, like, see, there are multiple things you can do, like multiple things you can do. For suppose like you can just go to the robots.txt and see what are allowed, what are not allowed. And if you're not allowed, there is a web panel, web login panel, then you can try to brute force it with basic stuff like burp basic, or you can try to find SQL injection by SQL authentication bypass or something, or you can basically what you can say, or you can basically go look for subdomains, and in the subdomain, no, don't use Rocky, that's too big. Rocky is too big. Okay, Rocky is very big. Using Rocky is not at all. This is a good thing. Okay, and I'm sharing you guys my profile one last time, and this is my profile. And anybody who don't have access to chat, my profile will be shared in the WhatsApp group also, and make sure to join the WhatsApp group, and just make sure to text me, and that's it. I wanted to share. Basically, it's not that it's hard. You're doing masters and all. It's not that hard. Masters, if you're doing, what's your age, by the way, if I may ask? Harshmeta, 23, 24,
Sir, 21.
21. Okay, I'm younger than you if you ask me. I'm just 20 years old. So how will you say that? So it's
Yeah.
totally dependent upon the skills. Okay, skill set is important. Just try to learn as much as possible, and master. After getting a job, you won't be able to have the time to learn everything and spend for yourself. So I would suggest you that complete everything and the most within this 1 year. Okay, okay, and any that's it. Any other doubts? Anyone? Only I hear from one, two guys. I just need to other the whole chat to be active. Okay, so myself, for whoever don't have chat access, it's JNYANDEEP Koya, and you will be sure you'll find a handsome guy. That's me. Okay, just kidding. Okay, so thank you guys. Divyanshi, LinkedIn, everybody follow. Yep, accept. Thank you, Divyanshi. Thank you a lot. Harshvardhan, accept. So, guys, I'll be sharing my LinkedIn and WhatsApp group also. Please check it out and hope we see in the next this thing. Chalo, good night.